So in this video I'm going to be using the Flip and a Neo 2, and I'll be using my RC2 controller for this video. I'm going to do this video in two parts. So in this video we're going to be sticking with the active track or the follow mode between these two. Now these two drones are both designed for vlogging. Obviously this drone is a mid-range drone because it's quite expensive for what it is, and obviously this one is a cheaper version and this one, and you can see the comparison in sizes. Obviously this one's fully out, this one's not, which is going to be a lot bigger because officially it's supposed to be compact, but you do need a big bag for this, where this one you do need a bag. You can't really fit out in a pocket. But the whole idea of this video is just to show you, I mean, this drone now is just over a year old. Obviously this has only been, I don't know, a couple months, maybe more than that, thinking about it. But this one's over a year now, and I would imagine that you can probably get one of these pretty cheap. I'm just going to show you the settings first on the Flip, and then we'll have a look at the Neo 2 as well, because there is a vast difference, guys, which did surprise me. Okay, so what we need to do, open up the drone. This is one thing I love about this. It's big, isn't it? It's big. I'm just going to do a comparison. Bit of a difference, isn't there? It's like double the size nearly. So the drone's on, obviously. We're going to go into settings first. And if we go onto safety, you've got brake. You haven't got bypass. The next thing you haven't got is obviously normal or nifty. And AR settings. Got those, but you haven't got anything else, guys. You ain't got the advanced return to home. So you haven't got a lot of choice, because even though it's portrayed, it's got obstacle avoidance at the front there, it's more to do with infrared, which you're going to see in a moment. So anyway, let's get the drone up and working. So I've got it on 4K 30. Okay, I'm going to see if I can change that 4K 30. Okay, it won't let me do it. I know what it is, because I've got the video going. I'm just going to turn off the video a minute. Alright, now I'm going to change that to 4K 60. So I've got it on 4K 60. Let's put the video back on. You don't really need the drone facing me when you're doing this sort of stuff. I just need to get the drone taken off. Obviously be careful with your fingers, guys. I've always had a tendency to stick my fingers up through where the blades are. Okay, I'm just going to draw a box around me. Okay, so while it's recording, I have to turn off the record button again. Okay, it's through that box. Unable to use. Don't tell me it's because of the frame rate. Okay, yeah, that's what it. So that's the reason why I can't do it in 4K 60 then. Right. Okay, so that's, anyway, 4K 30 is fine. Just draw the box around me again. Okay, we're going to put it into active. So it's telling me straight away that you've got no obstacle avoidance at all while you're doing this. I've got it on stop. Anyway, it's just go through it. It's quite a basic walk round some trees. Okay, it's stopped already. Because it's got no bypass. It's following me, it's picked me up there. Okay, so we do that. What I am going to do, I'm going to put the controller down, because I don't need the controller while I'm doing this. Okay, Let's just go round here. I did come out yesterday to try this out and it was a complete failure, which I'll just put up now. You should be able to get through that all right. Can you come through here? Come on then. Come on. Yep, it's... No, okay, I can see. Come on. Come on then. See, I shouldn't be doing this. This is supposed to be a vlogging camera. Right, come on then. No, it's... It might just sort itself out, but it's not. Yeah, it's coming on this bit. Okay. I'm just going to bring the drone back in. We're going to stop that. I'm going to land the drone. Turn off that. And what we're going to do now, we're going to go over to the Neo 2 and we'll do the same thing again with the Neo 2. Okay. Right, let's go back. Let's connect the drone. We've got the Neo 2. I've installed that. Load that up. Now I had a problem with that the other day. I had to do a factory reset because I wasn't getting that coming up. Check out that video, guys. That does get you out of things. So we're going straight back in. I'm just going to show you the settings. So you've got a few more things on here. You've got obviously bypass, which I've got it on. The bypassing options, I've got it on normal. I'm going to put it onto nifty, which would mean there'd be more of a chance that it's going to hit something because it's going to do it a lot quicker. And obviously it has got advanced return to home, which you obviously didn't have on the Flip. And you've got to think, this is a lot cheaper. Right, so let's put on the camera. Now I've got it on 4K 60 at the moment. I'm just going to put the video on. Okay, I'm just going to set the drone up. We'll do.
Waypoint updated.
Okay, so it's been updated now.
Take off.
Okay. Another thing, it is.
Unable to return automatically. Pay attention to flight safety.
Okay.
Home point updated.
Now, one thing I have noticed with this, it doesn't like when you're in a tree area. It seems the satellites, even though we got 20 satellites, but anyway, I don't seem to worry about that. You're going to see that what I'm on about in a minute. All right, I'm just going to get the drone set up. We'll just bring that gimbal down. There I am. I'll draw a box around me. Okay, straight in, no problem. And this
subject starts moving. Aircraft will fly to set direction.
right, just get rid of the right. So if you remember on the other one, I could only do it in 4K 30, whereas this I could do it in 4K 60, so that's another bonus. So I'm going to put this down. I've got the drone video on. It's following me. Now I've got a feeling I'm going to have no problems with this. And I am going to make it go through some tricky bits, which I couldn't have done with the other one. Okay. Okay, it's still sorting itself out. It's sorted itself out. I've got a low hanging branch here. It's got through that. Which I couldn't have done with the other one. You can see me, can't you? Okay, we're going to go back through here. And he's back. I mean, to me, what I say is 100 times better than the other one. I'll tell you what I am going to do. I'm going to stop that. Stop that. I'm going to put my hand out. Going to come to me. Well, anyway, you know my thoughts on the Neo 2. You know my thoughts on the DJI Flip, which I'm just going to pick up now. Like I said at the beginning, these two are vlogging drones, and to be honest, picture quality is good. Obviously, the better the picture, the better the video. But if you're doing things like going through woods and whatever, this is going to be hands down, really. Oh yeah, just one more thing, guys, which I forgot to mention while I was outside, is when this drone was about to come out, there was a lot of rumours, and I'll just put this one up here. He's one of the, they call the main men for information when anything's coming out new. And there was speculation that this was going to be working with the Goggles 3. It's been a year. It's never going to happen, guys. Even the Mini 5 Pro, I've been contacted by DJI to say that's never going to happen. Will a third-party app do it? I wouldn't have thought so. I've never seen a third-party app do it for the goggles. You might get waypoints, because this is another thing. Obviously, you can't do waypoints on this, but you can't do waypoints on that. But to be honest, would I want to do waypoints on this one? No. This, you should do because of that camera. But I just thought I'd put it out there. Goggles 3, it's not going to work, unfortunately, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, there's going to be another video where we're going to do it on distance, and I can safely say that this will, or maybe not, but I think this will beat the Neo 2 hands down. But that's because look at the size of the battery, guys, compared to this little squatty thing here. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that as always. There's going to be another video coming right sooner.